Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler Tolbert from Smile Now Dental Group. Let's talk about something that's becoming more and more common, traveling for dental implants. You've probably seen the ads, full mouth implants for a fraction of the cost, vacation plus a new smile in one trip, and I get it, it's tempting. But today, I want to walk you through what patients don't always consider when it comes to dental tourism, and how it compares to working with a local provider. This isn't fear-based, it's just the reality we see every single week in these offices. The price isn't always what it seems. Let's start with the obvious, cost. Yes, on paper, dental tourism can look cheaper, but what's often not included in the prices are extractions, bone grafting, sedation, temporary teeth, final restorations, and follow-up visits, all of which we cover in several of our videos, and all of which are very, very important to consider. Then you add the flights, hotels, travel expenses, and the time that you spend off work. And by the time everything is said and done, many patients end up spending close to what they would have locally, just with less clarity up front. You're not just buying teeth, you're entering a long-term relationship. This is the part that most people overlook. Dental implants aren't a one-time event. They're a long-term treatment that requires follow-ups, adjustments, maintenance, occasional repairs. And when you go out of the country or even just out of state, you're separating yourself from the provider who did the work. So what happens if something feels off, your bite changes, a screw loosens, or you develop discomfort months later? Now you're either booking another flight or trying to find a local provider willing to take over someone else's work. Now, this is an even bigger caveat than it initially sounds like. In most cases, when treatment is provided elsewhere, providers will refuse to assist with issues you run into. This isn't the provider being territorial, but rather a provider who takes over the case now owns the case and any issues or liability that arise from it. So providers are often told by educators and malpractice attorneys that it's best not to introduce that level of risk into their practice. Consequently, even if a provider wants to help, they have to charge you enough to protect themselves, which immediately compromises the deal that you thought you were getting by traveling to get your procedure done. The complications don't stop there. Not all materials and systems are universal. This is a big one. Different clinics use different implant systems, screws, components, and materials. Some international providers use systems that aren't commonly used in the US, don't have compatible parts locally, and come with limited documentation. That means if something breaks or needs adjustment, your local dentist may not even have the tools or parts to fix it. This isn't about saying dentistry abroad is bad. There are great providers all over the world. But in the US, dentistry operates under strict regulations, licensing requirements, legal accountability, and clear standards of care. If something goes wrong locally, you have access, accountability, and a provider who is responsible for your outcome long-term. With dental tourism, that safety net can be a lot thinner, or even non-existent. At Smile Now, we see both sides. We've had patients come in after traveling for implants who are happy with the results, just need maintenance or adjustments, but we've also seen poorly fitting prosthetics, misaligned bites, incompatible components, implant failures that require a full revision, or just problems. And the hardest part, most of those patients say, I didn't know this could happen, I thought I was saving money, and now I'm paying twice. When you choose a local provider, you're getting more than a procedure. You're getting ongoing support, easy access for adjustments, familiar materials and systems, lower travel stress, and a team that's invested in your long-term outcome. And most importantly, someone who is still there for you years after the procedure is done. It's not about cheap versus expensive. It's about long-term value. At the end of the day, this decision isn't just about the price. It's about predictability, support, longevity, and peace of mind. Dental implants should be done once and done right. If you're considering traveling for dental implants or just trying to compare your options, we'd be happy to give you a second opinion. Simply click the link in the description below to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll walk you through your options, your true cost, and what makes the most sense for your long-term health, not just your short-term budget. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more honest conversations about implants, treatment decisions, and protecting your smile. We'll see you in the next video.